Gerald and I are two of 8 siblings. The children of Shirley and Aaron Boudreaux grew up in Macomb on the corner of 12th and Plum Street, a very impoverished neighborhood. Attended the public school system, graduates of Northside High, as a matter of fact, very proud graduates of Northside High, as well as the University of Southwestern Louisiana. And Gerald and I has had the opportunity to partner on a number of things. But the fact that some of our siblings chose to leave Lafayette and pursue careers and a life away from here, I often partnered with Gerald as we provided the care to both of our parents up until their deaths, as well as our grandparents. And it was like a tag team. If Gerald was out of town, I would need to be in town. If I was out of town, he made sure he was in town. Constantly communicating about, can you go and put my mom up? Can you go and take mommy out? And do whatever needed to be done as, you know, our grandparents celebrated their glory years, their last years, and again, up until the time that they left us here physically on this earth. So again, his commitment to service, and that's what our family has always been about. His commitment to service is unmatched. And if you're looking for someone to go to Baton Rouge and work for you, help me bring Boudreaux to Baton Rouge. And I promise you, you will not regret it.